Hi, I'm Shane McAnally and welcome to 5 Rosemary Street in Deebing Heights. Let's take a look. This modern home has been thoughtfully designed for easy living. Deebing Heights is definitely a suburb for growth, with the recently opened Yamanto Central Shopping Centre just around the corner. Also, close by is Deebing Heights State School, parks, walking tracks, plus the proposed Deebing South train station is within walking distance to this home. So there we have it. Give me a call to arrange an inspection.